Hey, thank you guys for tuning into for another episode of What's Going On in Kuda World. You know I've made these shirts before, but what my thing is, you have a lot of scraps that you have left over from doing this heat press, and you're always figuring out what to do with these scraps. As you can see here, I put the black in the ball for your fingers. Your ball is always dark, and then you had a highlight where the light hit it. You had this little shiny part that shines on your ball. So I decided I want to kind of do that same thing, but as you notice here, when you're bowling, you had these little red stripes on the pins, and I forgot to do that. So I figured, let me try that this time. So what I decided to do is, on this one, you got these little spots here where the red will go. So you got your scraps. You got your scraps that you're going to use. So what I did first is I ironed this down so this heat press won't move, and it allowed me to take these little tweezers and place the red where it's supposed to go under there. Da-da, like that, huh? I thought that's pretty cool. I'm gonna make use of my scraps, maximizing that dollar, which is all we're supposed to do in this world of entrepreneurship. CEO. I know you're gonna say there's probably was an easier way to do this, but sometimes you want to appreciate your work by doing it another way, because I could have mapped this out in a design where all the red dots was in place, and all I would have had to do was cut this out and would have been able to put that in place. But sometimes when you're teaching somebody something, you're showing somebody something, what if they're off? And now one is off, everyone else is in, all the other ones in place. Why not do it the hard way, and then you can appreciate the easy way. Here's the ball. With the ball, I got the place for the boom. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to share your ideas of what you did with your scraps. Thank you. Peace.